My beloved, be still for a moment and listen. What you see around you is not the full story. What you feel right now is not the final chapter. I know it seems uncertain. I know it feels delayed. But understand this clearly. My plan is not paused. It is unfolding, even now. There are seasons when my work is quiet, when nothing appears to move, yet everything is being aligned. You may feel forgotten, overlooked, or unsure of your place, but I have not lost sight of you. Every step, every delay, every closed door has been shaping what is coming next. You ask why answers take time. You wonder why the path feels hidden. My beloved, some blessings require preparation you cannot yet see. If I revealed everything at once, it would overwhelm your faith. So I unfold my plan gently, with purpose, and with perfect timing. Do not compare your journey with others. What I am building in you is unique. What I am preparing for you requires patience, trust, and endurance. Even the waiting is working for you. Even the silence is meaningful. I see the prayers you whispered when hope felt weak. I hear the questions you carry in your heart. And still, I ask you to trust me. Not because everything looks clear, but because I remain faithful. My plan does not depend on human approval or perfect conditions. It moves forward through obedience, humility, and faith. When you choose to trust me in uncertainty, you step deeper into what I have prepared. Do not fear what you cannot control. I am already there. Do not doubt what you cannot see. I am already working. What feels like delay is often divine alignment. Remain steady, my beloved. Stay close. Keep believing. What I have promised will unfold at the right moment. Not late, not early, exactly as it should. My plan is unfolding now, and you are not outside of it. You are part of it.